In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use debit card on Steam. By the end, you'll complete a purchase on Steam using your debit card, from selecting a game to entering your payment details and submitting the payment. First, open Steam. On your desktop, launch the Steam application so you can access the store and make a purchase. Next, go to Store. At the top of the Steam window, click Stores to open the storefront where you can browse available games. Now, click a game. Scroll through the featured titles or use the search bar to find the game you want. Click the game's title or image to open its store page. You should see the price and purchase options on this page. Click Add to Cart. On the game page, look for the green Add to Cart button and click it. You'll see a confirmation that the item was added to your cart. So click Purchase for Myself. Steam will take you to your cart. Here, click Purchase for Myself to proceed with buying the game on your own account. This moves you into the checkout process. Select Payment Method. On the checkout screen, find the Payment Method section. There's usually a drop-down or list of options. Click it to choose how you want to pay. Choose Credit/Debit Card. From the list of payment methods, select Credit/Debit Card. This tells Steam you'll be paying directly with your card rather than a wallet balance or another service. Enter card details. You'll see fields for the card information. Type your card number exactly as it appears on your debit card. Enter the expiry date in the format shown on screen. Type the CVV, which is the 3-digit security code on the back of most cards. Enter the name exactly as it appears on your card. Take a moment to double-check each entry for accuracy. Small typos can cause the payment to fail, so confirming now prevents delays. Steam processes payments securely, so it's safe to enter these details here. Enter billing address. Below the card fields, fill in your billing address. This should match the address your bank has on file for the card. Enter the street address, city, postal or zip code, and country. If there's a state or region field, complete that as well. Matching this information is important because banks use it to verify your payment. Click Continue/Pay. Once your card details and billing address are entered correctly, click the Continue or Pay button to proceed. If you see a brief loading screen, that's normal while Steam confirms your payment with the bank. So do not click back or close the window during this step. If any field needs correction, Steam will highlight it so you can fix it and try again. After the payment processes, you should see an order confirmation page in Steam. The game will be added to your library and you can begin downloading it immediately from the library tab. If you're returned to the cart or checkout with an error message, carefully review the card number, expiry date, CVV name, and billing address to ensure they are exact. Then click Continue or Pay again. At this point, you've opened Steam, gone to the store, selected a game, added it to your cart, chosen Purchase for Myself, selected Credit/Debit Card as your payment method, entered your card details and billing address, and completed the checkout by clicking Continue or Pay. And your debit card payment on Steam is now complete and working, and your game is ready to install. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.